Happy New Year, everyone. And we've been getting a lot of questions about the market for 2023, so here's our prediction for the year. The housing market this year is going to be determined by interest rates, but don't believe the doomsday scenario that you see online and many people seem to be waiting for. Here is our forecast for 2023. Active inventory. Well, we begin the year with less than 2,500 homes for sale in all of Orange County, a near record low for January. And we're starting to see inventory climbing slightly over the last couple weeks, and more homes will enter the market once we see mortgage rates dropping consistently, most likely sometime in mid-2023 or maybe even sooner. Interest rates, the big question. Well, mortgage rates are starting around 6.5% this year, but look for them to drop soon. Data shows that inflation seems to be slowing, and it's our opinion that the Fed will not want to drive a deep recession if inflation appears to be getting under control, which recent data shows that it does. Expect rates to fall consistently this spring and may even fall below 5% by year's end. And if mortgage rates recede to these levels, housing will stabilize, and we should start to see increased competition from buyers again who've been waiting on the sidelines for the last couple months. But don't expect rates to go back to the 3% range. Those days are over. Demand. Well, due to the persistent high mortgage rate environment, buyer demand will continue to be muted. That's just a fact. Now, with less competition and pressure on affordability, buyers will be extremely cautious and unwilling to stretch above asking prices. So sellers need to be conservative. Well, if rates start to come down, look for increased demand and competition for available listings. We also have to factor in Wall Street and investor cash, which has been quietly buying up properties as they understand the long-term supply and demand problem that we have here, not only in California, but across the US. The housing cycle. Well, if seasonal trends continue, the strongest demand, coupled with the highest level of new seller inventory, should occur during the spring and the summer markets. But this is really going to be interest rate dependent. That's what we expect from the real estate markets in 2023.